What's up guys? Dito na naman tayo sa ating panibagong araw ng trabaho. Ngayong araw na to, ang gagawin natin ay mag-repair tayo ng isang tangke. Papakita ko sa inyo yung re-repair natin. Bali yan nga pala ay ang water jacket sa tangke. Yan ang nagbibigay ng init dun sa mga mantika sa loob ng tangke para hindi siya mamuo o tumigas. Mainit yung tubig na nandiyan dyan sa water, so hindi mamumuo yung mantika na nasa loob.
Okay, if you want to open that valve just a right little bit, just crack it.
Chris, the valve is open.
Yeah, it's alright.
No problem?
Okay.
Ayan mga kaibigan natin. Titingnan natin kung may leak. I-open na yung valve sa loob and then titik natin kung meron siyang leak. Maraming beses natin siyang ni-repair and then after couple of months nagkakaroon ulit siya ng leak. Kaya lagi natin siyang nire-repair.
Just open a bit more now, please.
It's already on.
It is now. Yeah, it's coming through now. That's there, so you've still got a big expanse.
So that's why they need, I think they need more bracing.
Should have put more braces in when we... Just awkward now because of configuration and setup. Before when it was 2 halves it would have been easier.
Yeah.
But now it's in 4 quarters where you want support, you can't. You've got pipe connections.
Is that the pipe is leaking or?
No, it's running off this.
No, sorry?
Maybe we just repair what we can see first.
Yeah.
Pointless, because there's such big holes, they're just going to get water everywhere.
Are we going to do that first?
Yeah, we'll get that green hose on and get the line draining, and then we'll do what I've marked up now. Again now. Yeah, we're going to do old fire returning water on. We've spotted a few big leaks, but we might as well get them repaired first before we turn water on.
Yeah, okay, cool now.
Ayan guys ang ating mission for today. I-repair natin yan. Ayan ang ating kaibigan. I'm going to check where's the leak. We've been through the river for many times here and it's just leaking again today. There's a lot.
Big
That-
hole.
There's a big hole.
Big hole.
Oh no, maybe it's heavy rain there when they open up.
I need water jackets.
Is that we're going to cut up in the winter? We're going to the place in the winter?
I don't know. I haven't been told. I just told it's not get this winter. They're going to go to electric tracing with
Yeah.
water.
Yeah.
That's what I've been told. So what that entails, I don't know.
You want me to get in, Chris?
Pardon?
You want me to get in?
No, it should be alright, Jack.
So, kailangan natin mag-ingat. Good to go?
Yeah, you should be alright now. Yeah, it's just basically stopped. It's all right. You okay? Still water, yeah.
Roll now.
No, it's still there. You can see the water behind it.
Oh, where's all that come from?
Just wait a minute. It's still
Yeah, I was
pouring out again now. Now you've opened that hole, it's letting more air in.
I'll do that one first. I think there's no water up there. Where is it again?
Just leave it a minute. It's quite low down, is that one? Still a right good flow of water coming through.
Because there's a hole down there, so it's pushing it around. Ikakabit na natin. Ayan, at na-trace na natin kanina yung leak. So, na-fix na rin natin yung leak kanina. Ay, babalik na natin siya sa original na posisyon niya.